thought these elevators don't go to the
Where?
southeast.
What?
Did I get three? There was three of those, weren't there?
Yeah. I
Yeah,
don't
one.
know. I don't know where it is, but it's in my wallet somewhere.
Melted like.
Yeah. That's why I'm like, I don't even want to go fishing.
Do they
but-
make chocolate?
No. No.
Because these
No.
kids never really liked candy. They didn't like chocolate.
I haven't given it to River. I think
Never?
he's too young.
Level
Yeah, never.
53.
He's too young for it right now. And he's got more of a sweet tooth, and Simon's not with a sweet tooth.
Level 64. Promo.
Do you live up here?
I meant to go to 68. My buddy's there.
Okay.
Level 17. Roll
Have
down.
a good night.
You as well.
Thank you.
Oh man. These are busy as hell. There's only 2 rooms.
Rolling down. Rolling down. Rolling down.
So you're giving, you said giving into this?
Yeah. I'm not happy with my current.
Rolling down.
How's the market? Like, yeah, it's mixed.
You know, it's start picking it up now.
Speaking of,
Like people who have actually quite an experience, they are getting good shit.
Correct.
Money has been flowing around.
Level 2. Rolling down.
You really get over on level 2.
Yeah.
What's on level 2? Empties?
Level 2.
No, it's the
Rolling down.
push the bar.